Namaste. My name is Sandeep Solanki. Today we are going to learn a cooling breathing practice or a cooling pranayama called as Shitkari Pranayama or Shitkari breathing practice. Shita means coolness and Kari means to arise. So when we do this particular breathing practice, the coolness can arise inside the body. It is also called as a hissing breath because the sound which is produced during this is a hissing sound. This pranayama has to be done especially during the temperature when it is a little higher, that means during the summer season, because it has a very profound effect on reducing the temperature of the body. And that's the reason why it should be practiced usually during such a season where it is a little hot or when it is summer, not during winter season, because if you do this breathing practice during winter, it will increase the coolness inside, which is not very helpful. If you are stressed, if you have high blood pressure, if you are into depression, if you have hyperacidity, then this pranayama can be very effective for that. But if you are suffering from low blood pressure, if you are having cold, if you are going through an asthmatic attack, then you should avoid this practice. Let us understand how to do this practice now. So in this Sheetkari Pranayama or Sheetkari breathing practice, what we do is we inhale from the mouth and we exhale from the nostril. So inhalation is from the mouth, exhalation is from the nostril. And now how to breathe in from the mouth. So what we do is we keep the teeth one above the other, and then we allow the cheeks to spread a little out, and we let the tip of the tongue press a little down on the back side of the lower teeth. So this is my back side of the lower teeth. I just press my tip of the tongue there, not on the upper teeth but on the lower teeth, on the back side. And then keeping the teeth together one above the other, I don't clench too hard. I don't create a lot of tension in my throat, in my jaw. I just keep it relaxed. And then after widening the cheeks a little, I breathe in from the mouth. After inhalation is over, you have to just relax your mouth and the tongue, and you have to exhale from the nostril slowly. When you do this, you will find that there's a lot of cooling which is felt inside the mouth when you inhale. And that's the reason why with this few rounds we can actually feel a lot of cooling effect inside. And that's how the benefit of people, those who have hyperacidity, good for them, those who have high blood pressure, hypertension, good for them, and so on. So let us understand the practice. Keep your body in a right position of the back, shoulders and the chin in a proper way. Hands are in Jnana Mudra, Chin Mudra. Now let the tip of the tongue get being pressed at the back of the lower teeth, and then widen the cheeks and keep the teeth one above the other without pressing it too hard. Inhale from the mouth. After inhalation is over, relax the mouth, exhale from the nostril in a simple, normal way. Let the exhalation be slow and gentle. So when you inhale, you can hear this hissing sound. That's why it's also called as hissing breathing practice or Sheetkari breathing practice. I will do now 3 rounds. When you do this, you have to do at least 10 rounds. When you exhale, you have to relax your mouth completely, your jaws, your tongue, your cheeks. So this is Shitkari breathing practice or Shitkari Pranayama, a cooling pranayama. I believe you're watching our video, and if you're having any doubts, please don't keep it to yourself. Please do write to us. We will try to clarify those doubts. If you are liking our video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. To keep watching more videos, if you want any specific video, please write to us. We will try to bring and make those videos also. Thank you for watching. Namaste.